Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. How are you today? Today I am here with Donna, and today we are going to talk about learning new vocabulary.
Hello, everyone. I am very happy to be here today. Let's start our conversation.
Donna, do you like learning new English words?
Yes, I do. I think learning new words is very important.
I agree. New words help us speak better English.
They also help us read and listen better.
How many new words do you learn every week?
I try to learn 5 new words every week.
That sounds great.
What about you?
I try to learn one new word every day.
Wow, that is a good habit.
Thank you. I write the words in a notebook.
I do that too.
Do you review the words later?
Yes, I read my notebook every evening.
Repeating words helps us remember them.
That is true.
Today, let's learn some useful vocabulary together.
Great idea.
Our first word is borrow.
Borrow means to take something and give it back later.
Can you give an example?
Sure. I borrow a book from my friend.
Very good.
What is the opposite word?
The opposite word is lend.
Ah, yes. I lend my book to my friend.
Excellent example.
Many learners confuse borrow and lend.
Yes, but practice helps.
Our next word is neighbor.
A neighbor is a person who lives near your house.
My neighbor is very friendly.
My neighbor has a beautiful garden.
That sounds nice.
The next word is delicious.
Delicious means very tasty.
Pizza can be delicious.
Ice cream can be delicious too.
I like that word.
Me too.
Our next word is busy.
Busy means having many things to do.
Are you busy today?
Yes, I am very busy today.
I am not busy today.
Lucky you.
The next word is quiet.
Quiet means not noisy.
The library is quiet.
My room is quiet in the evening.
That is a useful word.
Yes, many people use it every day.
Let us learn another word.
Okay.
The word is careful.
Careful means thinking before doing something dangerous.
For example, be careful when you cross the street.
That is a good example.
Do you know the word hungry?
Of course. Hungry means wanting food.
Are you hungry now?
A little bit.
I am hungry too.
Maybe we need lunch after this.
That sounds fun.
Our next word is thirsty.
Thirsty means wanting a drink.
I am thirsty after exercise.
Water is great when you're thirsty.
Yes, it is.
Let us learn the word excited.
Excited means very happy about something.
I feel excited before a trip.
I feel excited on my birthday.
Wonderful examples.
Thank you.
Now, let's talk about ways to learn vocabulary.
I like using flashcards.
Flashcards are very helpful.
One side has the word.
The other side has the meaning.
Exactly.
I also like reading simple books.
Books teach many new words.
Do you use English videos?
Yes, every day.
Videos help with pronunciation.
That is true. Pronunciation is important.
Yes, a word is easier to remember when you can say it.
Let us practice pronunciation.
Great. Say the word vegetable.
Vegetable.
Very good.
Some learners say every letter slowly.
Native speakers often say vegetable.
That pronunciation is useful.
Another word is comfortable.
Comfortable.
Excellent.
Native speakers often say comfortable.
Yes, English pronunciation can be interesting.
Sometimes it is difficult too.
That is normal.
Practice makes progress.
I like that sentence.
Me too.
Let us talk about verbs.
Okay.
The word walk is a regular verb.
The past form is walked.
Very good.
The word play is also regular.
The past form is played.
Now, let's look at irregular verbs.
The verb go becomes went.
The verb eat becomes ate.
The verb see becomes saw.
Learners should practice these words often.
I agree.
Let us make some sentences.
Yesterday, I went to the park.
Yesterday, I ate noodles.
Last week, I saw my cousin.
Excellent examples.
Vocabulary is easier to remember in sentences.
Yes, not only in lists.
That is a useful learning tip.
Another tip is using labels at home.
Labels?
Yes, put the word door on the door.
Put the word window on the window.
Put the word table on the table.
That sounds interesting.
It is also fun.
What about learning with friends?
That is a great idea.
Friends can practice together.
They can ask questions.
They can play vocabulary games.
Learning becomes enjoyable.
What about you, listeners?
How do you learn new vocabulary?
Please write your answer in the comments.
We would love to read your ideas.
Donna, what is your favorite English word?
My favorite word is wonderful
Why do you like it?
because it sounds positive and happy.
That is wonderful.
Thank you.
My favorite word is adventure.
That is a beautiful word.
It makes me think about travel and new experiences.
I like that.
Another useful word is helpful.
Helpful means giving help.
My teacher is very helpful.
My friend is helpful too.
Let us learn one more word.
Okay.
The word is patient.
Patient means staying calm while waiting.
Learning English needs patience.
Yes, learning takes time.
Do not give up.
Keep learning every day.
Even 10 minutes can help.
Small steps become big progress.
If you are enjoying this conversation, don't forget to like and subscribe.
More English conversations are coming soon.
Today we learned many useful words.
We learned words like borrow, lend, hungry, and excited.
We also talked about regular and irregular verbs.
And we shared tips for learning vocabulary.
Today was a lot of fun.
I enjoyed our conversation today.
Thank you everyone for listening.
See you in the next episode.
Goodbye everyone.
Bye.